Good morning, guys. I'm having my breakfast right now. Look. Good morning again, guys. I'm not even showered yet. I will shower later when we get home from. And my husband is looking for something, gropons.
Yeah.
We're gonna have dinner out tonight. We're going out. Me and I'm just loading some stuff, some veggies from the other day.
Oh, coupon for Hibachi Steakhouse.
Hibachi? Is Andy eat hibachi?
Oh, I don't see why not. It's an Aussie.
Asi?
Aussie.
We're planning to go out for dinner and we don't know where to go. My husband wants to go to City Island, right?
Yeah.
City Island for seafoods, but we have another company that doesn't eat seafoods. How come? What happened?
Stop pissing.
Hey? Crazy cats. He is very small, but he is like acting like the big one.
I don't want to hear nasty hissing noises from either one of you. You play nice or stay away from each other.
Adoy, nakasabon. Nakapiso. Nakapiso. You get $1. Nakapiso. Doy, kasukan ni Dada. Are we ready to go? Yeah, I think. Because I'm planning to go somewhere with you. Again with you. Where are you going?
Get ready here.
Anyway. Yeah, let's see. I will try to ask my husband after dropping my mother and go to dialysis if we can go to Target. Because we got these curtains. We get that curtains right there. And just only one piece every window. And I don't like it. We don't like it, so we need to add another color. Or not add the same color. So it's boring. My friend doesn't show up yesterday. Doesn't show up because they're doing something, they're spending time together. They have another plan. So let's see, maybe today they'll text me and they'll decide to come over. If they'll decide to come over for lunch, we can have some pizza or ices. What happened? It's what I'm supposed to be talking. I'm gonna say something, but I forgot.
It's all right. Pictures of you doing them every month.
No.
Then we're talking about the clouds are dark.
Yeah, the rain. I'm supposed to ask you. Why are you turning here?
Because I'm going on the post road where we need to be.
Oh, it's traffic here. Oh no, it's construction.
Here, huh?
It's a mess. We're already passing the guy. It's crazy shocking thing. Yeah. Listen, it's I'm going to say something, but I forgot what I'm going to say.
You know you mean the bird.
Oh yeah. Han.
I have no idea what you're going to say. You tell me like I should know.
Oh no, here. Can you get the thing red or white? The see-through color for the curtains.
Well, I figure we get that, and then we leave that one there. We leave that too. So we have to sell black.
No, this is my plan. We leave that curtains right there, right? That's nice. I like the color.
Yeah.
But remember, I put it, only in the halfway.
Right.
And the halfway, I want to put like white or red see-through curtains.
Well, ideally, and that's probably a good reason to target. Ideally, we get 2 more of those, so you have splits. You open like this,
Yeah.
and then you put the sheer ones under. Right.
No, just leave it like that.
This way, open in the middle. Look, it looks nice.
Pitco and Target.
Because I got a Walgreens here too.
Oh, they have Walgreens. Sir, I'm thinking the Walgreens in your shell.
Well, I figure because when they have these sales, they run out quick. So if they don't have them, at least we have another shot to hit Walgreens in their shell.
Yeah.
But I don't want to go there and then have to come here. We're already halfway in this direction.
This is going to rain hard, I can tell.
Yeah.
The clouds is so dark.
Well, I don't know. They're bright over there.
Yeah, but there's a lot of...
This way it's moving. If it's coming this way,
yeah,
we're in for it. If it's moving that way, it looks like it's moving that way. You watch clouds. See the movement? It looks like they're going that way.
yeah,
right?
it's going. Yeah, it's going that way.
Which means the rain's going that way.
Oh, what's up?
This guy's gonna sit here and jerk around. It looks like the rain's headed in that direction, and we may actually.
Yeah, that's very dark.
Right, but you can sit if you sit and stare at them, you can actually see the clouds move.
Yeah.
Pancake breakfast.
I just have my breaky.
Yeah, what'd you have? A piece of bread.
2 French toast and the leftover of the egg I use for the bread. Coffee. I'm good with that. Here,
Oh, here's the fucking Walgreens. You kidding?
you pass already. Just go to the Pitco first.
I'm thinking Walgreens is at the Petco.
Ay, hon. Your memory. You're not good.
I'm not paying attention.
Oops. What's this woman? I think it's right here, huh? Yeah, look at in here.
You would think it's just the small dogs.
Yeah, it's small dogs. Oops, I can't turn. How about here? Look, this here.
This one is big food for dogs.
That's for dog. There's none for cat.
Oh, I kind of like this. I kind of like this one.
I like it. So cute.
Because I'm not leaving until somebody pays attention. When somebody comes over and pets me, that's what I'm leaving. First I have to make a friend. You are adorable. You are. You're so happy too. I love it.
Thank you.
This is smaller guys like that. Is this adjustable here? No, it's up to you. It's more comfortable than regular ones. This is small for too. I'm not getting pink. That one, that's a little size. Black one? No, it's more flat over there. Right there. See, this is no flex, but this has flex. So no give. A little stretch, this has no stretch. Because this is mesh, and material gives on this side. This has no give on this material. Even has a mesh in it.
This?
That's good like that.
I know, but this looks much more comfortable for her.
But if it won't fit, hon, because Hobbs is a very tiny cat.
You think that's really too big for him?
No, Hobbs is smaller than that. Hon, I know my kid.
Well, it's still hard for him to get out because his paws will be here and here. Just like. Okay, so not still not getting pink. Ain't happening.
Why, there's no other
He's
color?
already a little mama's fucking boy. I'm not getting pink. Let's see if there's a smaller size than this. This is extra small. You're not gonna get double extra small. That's not gonna happen. But, you try and look.
Okay.
You try it?
No, they don't like that.
How do you know they don't like it if you don't try it?
Because they don't like turkey, I know that. And they still have a lot of that.
No,
Don't get-
they like the
No, don't
souffle
get too
better. It's thicker. And they like the trout. Look at any salmon. They're resistant to salmon.
My kids are spoiled with daddy. Spoiled. I don't like that. Open sesame seed. Thank you. Ay, ay, ay. Hold on, guys. It's crazy.
Usually we buy a couple cases of cat food.
Huh?
Usually we buy a couple cases of cat food.
Yeah.
This time we only bought,
because they
couple dozen cans.
have a lot in there.
So you tell me. On Thursday you'll say, oh, we're adding this. And it'll be out of luck because I got doctors.
Holy moly.
Once you learn how to drive that thing, you take the whole
There's a
road.
lot of cars on.
Yeah, I see them.
Walgreens, there. You turn to left to the light. Yeah. My husband is good with, he is so good with, Hi guys, I just put color in my lips. I got this, we just get out from, why is this, hold on guys. Turning. I don't want you to keep turning. We just get out from Walgreens, and I tried this new lipstick. That's what I put now in my lips. On my lips, it's a Revlon Color Burst. And yeah, I don't know. You guys like it? You like it, huh? And the color is like a cherry, right? Cherry color. Okay, we got this, and we get this. It's a wax. It's, how do you call this, wax, right? Wax. It smells good. It's a sandalwood color, and we get another one, Indigo Nights. It smells good. This is the only two that I like. They have different kind of scents in there, but that's the only two that I really like. And the Drama Men for my mother-in-law, and this Dr. Scholl's for my husband. Look.
Cops now.
Where?
That fucking blowing right through that red light. Flying.
Yeah. But where is the cups? And I got this Wet n Wild. Yeah, it's a Wet n Wild Milo Wine blusher. Yeah, and we get a lot of pads for my mother-in-law because they're on sale. So that's what we have. And now we're heading to, I don't know where we're heading. You have CVS here, right? A Walgreens still. They have Walgreens here, right?
No, here? No.
That close to the Staples?
CVS.
Oh, it's not CVS. Maybe we can find some, because
I'm not going to White Plains.
so there's no Walmart in here.
There is White Plains.
You're not going, right?
There's no White Plains.
So where you're going?
I'll check Kmart in the Bronx.
Kmart, Walmart.
Kmart.
Kmart.
Where were you thinking we got them?
I thought, you go to, what is that, close to Stop and Shop? Marshall, but if you go to Kmart, because there maybe they have jeans, then let's go.
Well, Home Goods didn't have.
They don't have everything.
Kmart might have more.
I never been to Kmart.
Never been in Kmart?
Never been to Kmart.
Kmart sucks.
Huh?
The line from
movie.
Kmart socks.
That's from Dustin Hoffman and what the hell is the movie? I'm trying to think.
Is that the line of the movie, or is just
Yeah,
people's
that's the
expression?
line from the movie. It's my mind is blank. I can't think of the name of the movie.
Because it's maybe old movies.
Rain Man.
Huh?
Rain Man.
Rain Man?
Rain Man. Right. Tom Cruise and Dustin Hoffman.
You mentioned Kmart.
Yeah, Dustin Hoffman and there's
But
plays a character who's got autistic.
okay. The cloud is very dark, as you can see. That looks like your old car.
No.
It's lower, smaller, right? Smaller. Huh?
My old car was way better looking than that.
I think the same look, but yours is a little higher and bigger look. Huh?
Different look too.
Oh.
I call it the girly car. The salespeople hate me calling it a girly car.
Why is that?
Because that's what I call it.
Well, a lot of guys drive that. Mostly girl, but it's not girly.
Girls like the RAV4.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the car that I like too. We have that kind.
The RAV4 is a smaller SUV. It's easier than that one.
Oh, cops.
Broken down trouble. One guy walked out of the museum, two guys. One guy's wearing his real flowery shirt and a leather mini skirt. And
Leather miniskirt.
Leather mini.
A guy?
Yep. Beard, hairy ass legs.
Two jeans, and then you have a color flowery because
With
it's
a girly shirt.
No, there's a lot of guy now who wear a flowery summery shirt.
Leather mini skirt.
But leather and your hairy. Not before, there is a lot like a foam came out. Yeah, no, it's not smoke. It's like a little foam came. Oh, they're done. Wow, they're done. There's no people yet. They're still. Oh, they're open. Hot buns. carry all this. Look at me, guys. I'm walking. We were in Kmart and look at me. I'm overloaded. I carry all the stuff. And my husband just carry his two pajamas. Hi, home.
My license.
Oh, sorry. I think it's in the... Oh, sorry. Give me one. Can I have one?
Yeah.
So, just that it's expensive. Crazy. This is good, huh?
No sugar.
I don't believe. My husband said this is no sugar. I don't believe that product that says sugar free, no sugar, whatever. Because, you know, you don't know who made that. You just put that in there and put a little sugar in it, chemical.
What? They be sewed up the asshole.
Huh?
They be sewed up the asshole.
You can tell sugar. Who's gonna claim? Who's gonna solve them?
It's not sugar, it's a sweetener.
It's a fake chemical, yeah.
Right, but it's not sugar.
Okay, so it's still just gonna affect your body. Okay, chemical.
Differently than sugar. If you're a diabetic, sugar can send you into a... But these chemicals will affect you differently. I just need something tasty without sugar. Since sugar's become such a big issue in my freaking life now.
Well, we're going out.
I don't know where the fuck I'm going.
You passed it already. This is
We'll drive right over that fucking...
right there, the car. Right there. Are you kidding me? A thread in there. Thread.
Thread?
The heck was that? I'm gonna throw this out. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
Are you kidding?
No sugar, and then it's too sweet. Oh God, it's like gonna kill me. I don't like sweet stuff.
And eat a little piece of candy, you gotta spit it out of your fucking kid.
It says sugar free. Yeah, sugar. Oh, we're having lunch. We just get home. Of course, as usual. Lunch, eat again, get fat. So we're having pork adobo and rice. And I'm gonna spread this. This is good for it. And my husband having the same thing. No, the rice, he doesn't have a plain white rice. He has his Spanish rice that he made the other day. So, this is spread. My adobo is tasty. My husband love it. Am I correct, or I'm just talking nonsense here that it's not true?
Well, that's correct, but
Correct the what?
you're still talking to a telephone.
Oh, you a telephone. Talking to the telephone. I'll show you. I put some curtains. I don't know if it's good, but I will show you. Okay, in the dining. I'll turn the light on that you guys can see.
Instead of leaving it sitting there and cat food, wet food, gets really disgusting. It crystallizes. I don't put it in
I get the red one because it matches our tablecloths, because we have different tablecloths, but there's red color in it, so that's why we get the red color. We just got home. from our dinner. It's already 9 o'clock, and yeah, 9:07. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye. Good night.